No! How are ya? We're bad and bougie.
We're back.
Yeah, we're back. We're back.
We're-
And what are we doing today?
Lashes.
Are you excited? Lashes. Hey, if that excites you, put hey to the lashes in the comments below.
That's it.
I love them too because when we did that pageant look, the dream shoot,
yes.
that just empowered me. It just made me feel so good. I don't know. What does it do to your face shape? I don't know.
Well, there's multiple ways. You can, there's wispies that are gonna just pull things out and just be very natural, but give you that length that you want. There's your mega volume that is one next step up is gonna be some big drag lash. And so, I mean, it all depends. It can pull your eyes this way.
Beautiful.
If you have almond eyes, it can give you a nice cat eye. The sky's the limit with lashes.
It's drama. It's theatrical. But you could also do classy and elegant. It just depends on the size.
Exactly, and it just depends. There's so much versatility with lashes that girl, we could put some big old drag lashes that come out here and pick up a stiff wind and you fly away.
Love it. Yeah. So, okay, cool. So today, if you like videos like this, please do subscribe in the comments below. Just helps you know when the next video is coming up. And let's just have some fun. Yeah.
This is one of my favorite things to teach because I know how many people are like, lashes are hard.
Yeah.
So, and
then they go for the magnetic lash.
oh God.
Well, we won't go there, but that's okay.
Different story. Stay tuned. But a lot of people don't know the tricks of putting on lashes, and being in my way Mac days, you had to be certified in 2 minutes to get them on, and then going into drag, my drag mother taught me how to put on lashes.
Yeah.
So.
I think I was wearing lashes at 10, and I'm not saying, wear lashes at 10, but I was doing dancing. So I was always doing the theatrical performance, tap dancing, ballet, all that. So I would go to competitions, usually for tap dancing, and then I'd put the eye on. But I didn't like my mum touching my face. So at a very early age, I learned how to do them myself. But of course, let's get Brady to show you today.
We're going to be much faster.
So when we did the dream shoot and during the pageant process, I just felt so empowered by being on stage in the dress that we designed. It really accentuated and it hugged my curves in all the right places and all that.
That body was amazing.
Yeah,
oh.
But it was the whole package, and I think people think of hair and beauty sometimes as to be a superficial, surface thing, but it really unlocked. I guess I had a lot of self-hate during my dancing days about my body and so forth, but during this process I could really embrace me.
Yes.
And so that's what lashes kind of did to finish the whole look as well. So it can really unlock those negativities and embrace you.
But also shape how your face, we're gonna call it the bras of your eyes, of your face.
Love
because
that.
it just really does. Anytime you're finishing, that's the finishing touch.
I love that. Okay. The bras of our face.
The bras of our face.
So good.
They just give us that bold, beautiful structure that we need.
Love it.
Or that soft structure. Like a sports bra.
Oh.
Yeah.
Would you be more of a sports bra? No, I'm just kidding. Don't say it in the comments.
Don't say it in the comments. Are you a bold lash person or are you a natural lash person?
We have fun.
Okay, so I am literally using my dual wand because I have not touched anybody else's face, So I just put it right on. Cross-contamination is a big thing, especially because of the eyes. So I always try to be as sterile as possible.
Yeah.
I use my wand, but I never go back and double dip. Okay. I'll usually, if I need to go back and move again, but I put it directly on. And then you bend them.
Oh, no way.
Because they come straight. They come they have an arch in them, but our eye actually curves a lot more, and it actually is more of a V shape.
So do you want me to pose or just look down?
So I want you to look right here.
Okay.
And everybody closes their lashes. Everybody tries to close their eyes when they're putting on lashes. That is the biggest mistake because you can't see what you're doing when you close your eyes. And then you literally just have them look straight out and just drop it right on top.
Oh.
Did you see that?
Wow.
Did you see? Like, it was just, boop.
Wow.
We'll do this quick, fast, and in a hurry. We've also done this in the middle of the salt flats.
We have. We have.
I was like, ooh, we got a 2-hour drive. Let's just wait to put on your hair and your lashes. And then, yeah, you got 40-mile-an-hour winds.
The winds of the blowing.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
Hi, Laura. And now we're gonna go on number 2. Okay, gonna go. Do it again. Glue's on. We're letting it dry. We're gonna bend and reshape that. And I really like to bend on like those thicker bands. Like the bands that are super full, like these ones, I really like to bend them just so it's much easier for you to look straight forward and then just flap it on. Number 2. So, and when you're setting it down, set the middle first, slide your 2 ends in there.
I love that.
Go ahead and look straight
Love it.
forward. Bam.
Loving it. So good.
So now, reposition, let them dry. Sometimes you'll check them out. I mean, sometimes like the quarters won't dry down. And that's when you just take a little brush, little glue on some brush and just...
So good.
Amazing.
You love it?
I love it.
Tell us in the comments below what you think. Do you love eyelashes or do you prefer a smoky eye?
I like a smoky eye, but...
Yeah, there you go. So, next video, what should we do?
Contour.
I love contour. You know why? Because I have a very round face. I prefer to have the illusion of a longer, skinnier face. So contouring your cheeks can really help you get there, but it really depends on like the products and how you apply, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And most people, they do the whole, I mean, a lot of contour. They do a lot of the cream and, not me. I'm like, we're gonna put a nice, deep, cheek defined line to give you that definition and then whoosh.
Love it. So if you want to watch that video, click because it will be the next video. And hey, guess what? Should we see them on the next show of Bad and Bougie?
Hi!
Thanks guys. See you on the next one.
Bye!
Love it.
We're just gonna pause first, like,
Yeah.
for just a second, because I'm like,
We're going to be faster. Oh, hang on a sec while we unravel the
yeah,
package.
hold on, let me, you know, I have done this for a very long time, but I still feel like you
Don't
need...
know how to undo the plastic.
I didn't get my PhD,
Should
okay?
I do it? Do you want me to? Mama's over here.
Mom's here.
Oh my God.